Here's the best way to put in one of these reading chips, this one for the fox and the stork. The best way to put this into your grandpa book reader. Okay, you just put it in this way with the sign facing you, and this label will bend over. You just push it in at the top of the chip, and then you turn this on, and you might need to push this black button back here to initialize the volume. The first time you put in a chip, you'll have to do that, and then you can adjust the volume here.
So the cover is actually page 1. This is Aesop's Fable.
If you turn it off in the middle of one of the pages and you turn it back on, it'll start at the beginning of that page again. You can pause and pick up again by pressing the red button.
This is kind of a funny book.
You can move forward a page by pressing the green button.
Now flip to page 2 and you'll see a mouse.
You can flip backwards a page by pressing the blue button. And of course you turn it off or adjust the volume.
Named The Fox and the Stork.
You can adjust the volume with this knob. Right now, the battery should have a full charge, but you can always press this button right here, the little button, and it'll tell you what the voltage is in the battery. Anywhere in the 3-volt range is good, even above 4 volts is good. It'll be above 4 volts after you give it a full charge. And the way that you charge it is just to plug something in here, and the something is the charger that I've provided to you right there. You could also run this when you're charging the battery. No problem with that. Plug it into the charger if the battery isn't up there, and you can charge it while you play it. And you can leave the charger plugged in. You'll notice when this is on, there's a blinking red light right here. When you're charging this, over here there'll be a red light when the battery's charging and a green light when it's fully charged. I hope you enjoy your grandpa book reader.